Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing some of the important personalities who recently died in the month of September. This video will be very helpful to you. Do watch the video till the end. Hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with the session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gained today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These, I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start with the session. Here we will be discussing important personality, and our first important personality who recently died is Buddha Dev Guha ji. As you can see him in the picture, he is Buddha Dev Guha ji. Question will be asked, Buddha Dev Guha ji is related to which language, or he was the author of which language? He was author of Bengali author. Alright, he was related to which language? He was related to Bengali language. If we look at the data, eminent Bengali author Buddha Dev Guha ji, a professional chartered accountant and a noted classical singer and a proficient illustrator, has passed away at the age of 85 in Kolkata, West Bengal. He was born in which state? He was born in West Bengal only. His wife Ritu Guha, who was also an eminent Rabindra Sangeet exponent, passed away in 2001. Important thing is, he recently passed away. His name is Buddha Dev Guhaji, who was a noted Bengali author. Next. Next personality is Chandan Mitra ji. As you can see him in picture, former Rajya Sabha member of parliament and senior journalist Chandan Mitra ji passed away recently. Alright, Chandan Mitra ji, he was the former Rajya Sabha MP. Question can be asked, who was the former Rajya Sabha MP who recently passed away, and he was a senior journalist too. He is Chandan Mitra ji, as you can see him in the picture. Chandan Mitra, who was 65 and a former Rajya Sabha MP and a senior journalist, has passed away in Delhi. He has served as the editor and MD of the Pioneer newspaper in Delhi. Chandan Mitra, a senior journalist who has served in the Statesman Kolkata, the Pioneer newspaper, the Times of India, Sunday Observer, and Hindustan Times. He was the first nominated as a member of Rajya Sabha in August 2003 and served till 2009. Moving on. Next is IOC President, that is your International Olympic Committee President, and the former IOC President Jacques Rouge has passed away. I repeat, former International Olympic Committee, that is your former IOC President Jacques Rouge has passed away at the age of 79 in Belgium. He was born in Belgium only, and he has served as the president of IOC for 12 years. He represented Belgium in rugby and was a world champion in sailing too. Our next personality is Keshav Desi Rajuji. As you can see him in the picture, Keshav Desi Rajuji was the former Union Health Secretary who recently passed away. Keshav Desi. Moving on. Next we'll be talking about a Indian footballer or former Indian footballer and a Mohan Bagan team captain Bhabani Roy, who recently passed away. I repeat, who was the captain of the team Mohan Bagan who recently passed away? He was Bhabani Roy, former Indian international football player and Mohan Bagan legend. Bhabani Roy, who was 75 years of age, died in Kolkata due to a prolonged illness. Roy joined Mohun Bagan in 1966 and played for the club till 1792. He made his international debut in the Merdeka Cup in 1969 and represented Indian national team in 3 matches. Roy, known for his overlapping skills, flourished in 1969 under Amal Datta's coaching, and the same year Mohun Bagan won the Calcutta Football League and the IFA Shield. So, Bhabani Roy was the former Indian footballer and a captain of Mohun Bagan. Moving on. Next personality is Aziz Hajini. I repeat, Aziz Hazini was a noted Kashmiri writer who recently passed away. Question can be asked, who was the Kashmiri writer who recently passed away? He is Aziz Hajani ji. As you can see him in the picture. Another important thing regarding him is that he was a Sahitya Academy Award winner, and Dr. Abdul Aziz Parre, pen name Aziz Hajini, an eminent Kashmiri writer, poet and critic, passed away in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I repeat, what is the full name? The Aziz Hazani is the pen name of Dr. Abdul Aziz Parre. Alright, he was also a Sahitya Academy winner, and he was an eminent Kashmiri writer, poet and a critic who passed away in Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. He has won Sahitya Academy Award for Criticism in 2016 for his book Anne Khane, written in Kashmiri. Moving on. Next is renowned astrophysicist Thanu Padmanabhan. I repeat, renowned astrophysicist Thanu Padmanabhan has passed away recently. As you can see him, he is Thanu sir. If we look at the data, question can be asked, Thanu Padmanabhan has been awarded with which Padma award? So he was a Padma Shri awardee, a noted physicist and cosmologist. Thanu Padmanabhan, who was 64 years of age, passed away in Pune on 17th of September due to cardiac arrest. He was born in which state? He was born in Kerala only. He was professor at the Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics in Pune, Maharashtra. Next is eminent Odia literature Manorama Mohapatra, passed away. Manorama Mohapatra, who was a noted Odia literature. Question can be asked, Manorama Mohapatra is related to which language? So she is related to Odia. And she was the former editor of the Samaja and Odia Daily, and she passed away in Cuttack, Odisha only. So she belonged to which state? She belonged from Odisha only. She was a Odia literator and she used to work, or she was the former editor of the Samaja. Next is related to a footballer. Former French footballer Jean-Pierre Adams passed away. Former French footballer who was a defender Jean-Pierre Adams, who has been in coma for the past 39 years, has passed away in France. Next is former England footballer Jimmy Greaves. I repeat, former which team, or you can say Jimmy Greaves is related to which sport? He is related to football. He is related to which country? He is related to England. Jimmy Greaves, former England footballer, recently passed away. Alright friends, so these were some of the obituaries of the September month. I hope the video was interesting. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.